morning children. Namaste बच्चों. So today we are going to start our class. Welcome to today's class. So children, you all know that hard work is the secret of success. Success leads a man to achieve a greater or a hard thing in his life. So now you are in the stage of student. So you are having a responsibility that you have to make your education perfect. So when we want to make our education perfect, we have to work hard. So hard work never fails. Nowadays the students, you are relating to the hard work, you are not doing it perfectly. So it will be very difficult for you in this stage to work hard. But when you are controlling yourself and when you are working hard, after few years you will be in a tip of the mountain. That means you will be in the tip of success. So don't be lazy, don't stress yourself in some other things. Concentrate in your studies, work hard and go to the tip of the mountain. That means go and touch the tip of the mountain. So children, when we are climbing in a mountain, I will tell you just an example. When we are climbing a mountain, you will feel very hard, right? But if somebody is telling you that you are having gold coins and silver coins in the tip of the mountain, that means top of the mountain, for getting a gold and silver, we will be climbing the mountain, right? So for getting gold and silver, which is in the top of the mountain, we have to struggle little, right? We have to struggle and we have to climb a mountain in a hard way. But finally what will happen? You will be reaching to that gold and silver coins. So for reaching to the silver and gold coin, you are trying to climb a mountain with the very hard thing, right? So like that only you will feel very hard when you are in a stage of education. But if you are climbing with your education in a correct hard work, you will reach a success, that is your higher education. So when you are becoming a collector or when you are becoming a doctor and when you are becoming an engineer, you will be earning more for your family and your future. So hard work never fails. Success will be there when you work hard. So keep on working hard. This why I am telling you, whenever I am giving you the video class, usually I used to give some tips for you like this regarding to your education, right? So please do that, work hard till you reach your goal, so that it will be very easy for you to get success in your life and in your education. Okay children? Yes. So I think you all are safe in your home and you are following your videos, classworks and worksheets. So please do that. Let us go to today's class. Yes. Today we are going to see lesson 12, that is part 12, Kancha. Kancha means nothing but marble or a shooter. So children, in your older days, that means when you are small, you will used to play with shooter, right? That is Koli Kundu. We will tell in Tamil as Goli Kundu, right? That is only Kancha. So in your when you are small, that time usually the children, they will used to play with shooter. That is Kancha means we can tell as marble also, otherwise we can tell that as shooter also. Okay. So children, today we are going to see lesson related to shooter. So let us see what is happening in this story. In this story, there is a boy named Appu. Okay. His father, he is working as a manager, and his mother, she is a homemaker. And in this story, what will happen that Appu, he has a passion of collecting shooter. उसे कंचा जमा करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. So he will always use to collect all types of shooters. One day when he is going to school, that time he is seeing the shop where the shopkeeper is having shooter, and his father, he has given him some money for paying fees. With that money he is buying the shooters. So that is the story related to this. So we will see what is happening in this story. Let us go to the chapter. Yes. So please take your Vasant book. In that book you have to take page number 86. That is, you can find your lesson Kancha there. So please open your book and listen my teaching, then only you can understand. Now, वह नीम के पेड़ों की घनी छाँव से होता हुआ शियार की कहानी का मज़ा लेते आ रहा था. हिलते डुलते उसका बस्ता दोनों तरफ पेंसिल से यों वे सब उस बस्ते के अंदर टकरा रहे थे, मगर वे ना कुछ सुन रहा था ना कुछ देख रहा था. So now Appu, he is coming with his school bag and he is remembering the story of fox, and he is just walking and coming in a street. So उसका पूरा ध्यान कहानी पर केंद्रित था. कैसी मज़ेदार कहानी कौवे और सियार की. So he is remembering the story of fox and crow, that is crow and fox, and he is just walking in a road and coming. सियार कौवे से बोला, प्यारे कौवे एक गाना गाओ. So you all know that story, that the crow will be sitting in the branches of the tree and it will asking, now the fox is asking crow to sing some song. तुम्हारा गाना सुनने के लिए तरस रहा हूँ. I am waiting here for listening your song. कौवे ने गाने के लिए मुंह खोला तो रोटी का टुकड़ा ज़मीन पर गिर पड़ा. सियार उसे उठाकर 9-2-11 हो गया. So when the crow is opening his mouth to sing a song, that time what will happen? That crow is having a piece of roti in his mouth, and when he opened his mouth, what happened? It has fallen down. Now the fox, he has taken that piece of roti and he went. वह जोर से हंसा बुद्धू कौवा. वह चलते चलते दुकान के सामने पहुंचा. Now remembering the story of fox and crow, now finally Appu, he came near to a shop. वहाँ अलमारी में कांच के बड़े बड़े जार कतार में रखे थे. So there they are having a pot containing glass, pot which is made of glass, and in that he is seeing कंचा. वहाँ अलमारी में कांच के बड़े बड़े जार कतार में रखे थे. उनमें चॉकलेट, पिपरमेंट और बिस्कुट थे. So in some pot glass, what they are having chocolate, that peppermint and then biscuits. उसकी नज़र उनमें से किसी पर नहीं पड़ी. बट Appu, what he is doing? He is not seeing such things. क्यों देखें, उसके पिताजी उसे ये चीज़ें बराबर ला देते हैं. So his father, usually he will used to buy these things, that eatable things, to him regularly. So he is not seeing that things which are in that glass container. फिर भी एक नए जार ने उसका ध्यान काष्ठक किया. That is, now he is seeing a glass container. वह कंधे से लटकते बस्ते का फीता एक तरफ हटाकर उस जार के सामने खड़ा टुकुर टुकुर ताकता रहा. So ही इज सीइंग दैट ग्लास कंटेनर वेरी क्यूरियसली। सामने खड़ा नया नया ला कर रखा गया है, उसमें पहले उसने वह चीज़ यहाँ नहीं देखी थी। सो बिफोर एनीवेयर ही डिडंट सी दैट थिंग। पूरे जार में कंचे थे। सो व्हाट दैट कंटेनर इज कंटेनिंग, it is having kanche. That means that container, it is full of kanche. Kanche already I told you that is shooter. हरी लकीर वाले बढ़िया सफ़ेद गोल कंचे, इट इज़ कलरफुल। बड़े आंवले जैसे कितने खूबसूरत हैं। सो इट इज़ लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। अब तक ये कहाँ थे? शायद दुकान के अंदर। अब दुकानदार ने दिखाने के लिए बाहर रखा होगा। सो दिस मैनी डेज आई एम गोइंग टू द स्कूल फ्रॉम दिस वे ओनली, बट आई नेवर सीन दिस ग्लास कंटेनर विच इज़ हैविंग शूटर। उसके देखते देखते जार बड़ा होने लगा। वह आसमान सा बड़ा हो गया तो वह भी उसके भीतर आ गया। वहाँ और कोई लड़का तो नहीं था, फिर भी उसे वही पसंद था। छोटी बहन के हमेशा के लिए चले जाने के बाद वह अकेले ही खेलता था। सो ही इज़ हैविंग वन सिस्टर बट शी हैज़ गॉन समवेयर। यूजुअली अप्पू ही विल यूज टू प्ले सेपरेटली। वह कंचे चारों तरफ बिखेरता मज़े में खेलता रहा। तभी एक आवाज़ आई, लड़के तू उस जार को नीचे गिरा देगा। वह चौंक उठा। नाउ जार अब छोटा बनता जा रहा था। छोटे जार में हरी लकीरों वाले सफ़ेद गोल कंचे, छोटे आंवले जैसे। सिर्फ 2 जने वहाँ हैं, वह और बूढ़ा दुकानदार। दुकानदार के चेहरे पर कुछ चिड़चिड़ाहट थी। मैंने कहा ना, जो चाहते हो वह मैं निकाल कर दूँ। सो प्लीज़ कीप द ग्लास कंटेनर डाउन। इफ़ यू पुट इट डाउन व्हाट विल हैपन? It will broke, so please keep it like that. That shopkeeper, he is shouting, but Appu, he is imagine that he is playing with the shooter. मैंने कहा ना, जो चाहते हो वह मैं निकाल कर दूंगा। So which one you want to buy? I will take that out and I will give to you. Please keep that. दुकानदार ने जार का ढक्कन खोला। ढक्कन means he is opening the टैप ऑफ दैट कंटेनर। उसने नीरेश से सिर हिलाया। सो ही टोल्ड दैट ओके वेट, आई विल ओपन एंड आई विल गिव यू विच वन यू वांट। लाइक दैट शॉपकीपर इज टेलिंग। नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग। तो फिर सवाल खूब रहा, क्या उसे कंचा चाहिए? नाउ फाइनली ही केम टू क्लासरूम एंड नाउ ही सिटिंग इन ए क्लासरूम। उसे खुद मालूम नहीं, जो भी हो उसने कंचा को छू कर देखा। जार को छूने पर कंचे का स्पर्श करने का एहसास हुआ। अगर वह चाहता तो कंचे ले सकता था। लिया होता तो स्कूल की घंटी सुनकर वह बस्ता थामे हुए दौड़ पड़ा। सो ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू बाई दैट शूटर्स, बट व्हेन ही इज़ hearing the bell sound of school, what has happened? He ran to school. देर से पहुंचने वाले लड़कों को पीछे बैठना पड़ता है। So those who are coming late, they have to sit back side of the classroom. उस दिन वही सबके बाद पहुंचा था। So he is only late, इसलिए वे चुपचाप पीछे की बेंच पर बैठ गया। Now he is sitting at the back bench. सब अपनी अपनी जगह पर हैं। All are sitting in their place. रामन अगली बेंच पर है। सो रामन इज सिटिंग इन द नेक्स्ट बेंच। वह रोज़ समय पर आता है। ही विल कम एट टाइम। तीसरी बेंच के आखिर में मल्लिका के बाद अम्मू बैठी है। सो मल्लिका एंड अम्मू दे बोथ आर सिटिंग। जॉर्ज दिखाई नहीं पड़ता। सो जॉर्ज ही इज़ अ क्लोज फ्रेंड फॉर अप्पू, बट ऑन दैट डे ही वॉज नॉट देयर। लड़कों के बीच जॉर्ज ही सबसे अच्छा कंचे का खिलाड़ी है। सो जॉर्ज यूजुअली ही विल यूज टू प्ले दैट शूटर very well. That is, he is a talented player in shooter. कितना भी बड़ा लड़का उसके साथ खेले, whatever or whenever he is playing, if he is playing with the younger boys also, he will be winning. हारने या यो की विदा नहीं हो सकता। हारे हुए को अपनी बंद मुट्ठी ज़मीन पर रखनी होगी। तब जॉर्ज कंचा चलाकर बंद मुट्ठी की जोड़ों की हड्डी तोड़ेगा। जॉर्ज क्यों नहीं आया? What happened to George? Like that he is asking. अरे हाँ, जॉर्ज को बुखार है, he is having fever. उसे रामन ने यह सूचना दी थी। उसने मल्लिका को सब बताया था। जॉर्ज का घर रामन के घर के रास्ते में पड़ता है। अप्पू कक्षा की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था। So now class is started, but Appu he is not listening to the class, but he is thinking something and he is not concentrating in classroom. So that what happened, Master Ji he is getting very angry and he started shouted to Appu. Now Appu what he is asking to his classmates, I want to meet George, can you take me to George house? So that time what the children they are telling, George house is on the way going to Mallika's house. When we are going, that time I will take you. So speaking like this, now what happened, he is not concentrating in his classroom, in his class. So that now what happened, the teacher he is getting tensed and he is shouting to Appu. So next what is happening, so that is a day where everybody had to pay the fees. So when Appu and George they are in a classroom, that time the tune is coming and he is telling that those who are having fees you have to pay your fees. So that time every children they are going to pay the fees. That time Appu he is sitting in a classroom and he is thinking something. That time his friend he is telling, Appu you are also there to pay a fees, right? So please come with me. That time Master Ji teacher he is shouting at Appu and he is telling that hereafter you have to listen your class very carefully. You should not be very careless. Now you just stand in the bench. That time Appu is standing in a bench and he is crying. After some times teacher he has left Appu to pay a fees. When he is going to pay the fee, that time what happened, he is seeing that there is a big queue for paying the fees. Now what the clerk is telling, one by one you can come and sit and you can pay a fee. So please don't make any crowd. So in this page they are telling about that only. So Appu is here to pay the fees. Now the school has over. After the school what is happening, he is ready to go home. That time when Appu he is coming back to home after finishing his school, that time he is decided to buy all the shooters which is in that shop. उसका जी चाहता था काश पूरा जार उसे मिल जाता. So he is thinking that he can buy all the shooters. जार मिलता तो उसके छूने से ही कंचे को छूने का एहसास होता. उसने पोटली खोलकर देखने का निश्चय किया. Now what happened, finally he had bought all the shooters from the shopkeeper. And what happened, he has made a shooters in a big bag and now he is taking with him and he is coming. उसने पोटली खोलकर देखने का निश्चय किया. But his excitement through that shooter he is not able to stop. For opening that tag, what happened, he is excited to see that shooters always. So what he is doing, he is trying to open that tag. देखने का निश्चय किया. बस्ता नीचे रखकर वह धीरे से पोटली खोलने लगा. पोटली खुली और सारे कंचे बिखर गए. So in main road what happened, when he is opening the tag, what happened, all the shooters it has fallen down. क्षण भर संपोखना के बाद वह उन्हें छूने लगा. हथेली पर गई. वह छूटते हुए कंचे कहाँ रखे. So what happened, all the shooters it has fallen down. That time one car is coming from that way and the car driver he is horning so many times. But what happened, Appu he is not listening. The driver ही इज़ जस्ट सिटिंग. 1 2 3 4 एक कार सड़क पर ब्रेक लगा रही थी. दैट इज़ ओनली द कार. इट इज़ कमिंग एंड स्टॉपिंग इन द रोड. नाउ द ड्राइवर ही इज़ गेटिंग वेरी एंग्री. उस लड़के को कंचा खा जाने की इच्छा हुई. उसने बाहर झांक कर देखा वह लड़का क्या कर रहा है. सो द ड्राइवर ही शाउटिंग दैट प्लीज़ गो दैट वे. आई वॉन्ट टू गो, प्लीज़ स्टैंड अप. लाइक दैट द ड्राइवर इज़ shouting, but what happened? Appu he is not listening. हॉर्न की आवाज़ सुन कंचे चुनते अप्पू ने बीच से सिर उठाकर देखा. सामने एक मोटर है. Now only he is tipping it head and seeing the driver is shouting. उसने सोचा क्या कंचे उसे भी अच्छे लगा रहे हैं, शायद वह भी मज़ा ले रहा है. So what he is thinking that the driver is also seeing that shooters and he is enjoying. But what happened? The driver he is shouting and he is telling please move that way, I want to go from this way, so please go that side. Like that he is shouting, but Appu he is not listening. And finally he is just seeing the driver and he is sitting as such. At last finally what happened? He is sitting in the road and he is dropping all the shooters down and he is picking all the shooters. That time the shopkeeper and the driver they are standing and laughing at Appu. And when he is going home he is telling everything to his mother. That time also mother also started laughing and they both are remembering the things which has happened here. And then now mother what she is telling, these shooters they are very bad that they have troubled you this much. Like that she is telling and she started laughing. And then at last what happened, he is explaining everything to his mother. After hearing everything the mother is laughing and they both are sitting and speaking with each other. That time they both are hugging each other and the mother she is telling whatever you do you please think and do, and then you have to spend your money for useful things. You should not spend money for your unusual things. Like that the mother is telling and she is hugging Appu. So children, from this lesson you can understand that passion is very very important. You will be having passion on something, but you have to think if we spend money for buying that it will be worth. If it is not worthless, so please don't do that. Everybody they are having passion in something. Like how Appu is having passion on shooters, like that you will be having passion on something, right? So when you are ready to buy such things which you are having passion, what you have to do, you have to think 2 or 3 times and then you have to buy. You have to think whether it is useful or not. So I hope you all have understood this lesson very very clearly. So now we have to start our classwork. So children, classwork is a record for attending the video or seeing the video, right? So please write your classworks very very neatly. As I told you always, when you are writing in English you have to use cursive handwriting. When you are writing in Hindi, please write in hanging letters so that you can understand everything clearly. Handwriting, it is the face reader of man. Every time we can identify a person whether he is good or whether he is bad with his handwriting. So handwriting is the face mask for the student. So please, whenever you are writing your classwork, please write very very neatly. So now we are going to see the classwork for Kancha lesson. I will explain you. You have to copy in your classwork neatly. So first we are going to see meanings, that is English meanings. So take your classwork, write part 12 Kancha marble or shooter, and then start writing your meanings. First one, khoobsurat, that is beautiful. What is khoobsurat? Beautiful. Beater, inside. Beater, inside. Khas, special. Khas, special. Jawab, answer. Jawab, answer. Shanka, doubt. Shanka, doubt. So one more time I will repeat. Shabdarth, first one khoobsurat, beautiful. Second one beater, inside. Third one khas, special. Fourth one jawab, answer. Fifth one shanka, doubt. So next second Roman letter, सही उत्तर चुनकर लिखो. Choose the correct answer. फर्स्ट वन, टुकर टुकर ताकना शब्द का क्या अर्थ है? व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग फॉर द वर्ड टुकर टुकर ताकना? दैट इज़ हैरानी से देखना. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ बार बार देखना. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज़ हैरानी से देखना. दैट मीन्स सीइंग समथिंग इन अ शॉक्ड मैनर. व्हाट इज़ द आंसर? सीइंग समथिंग इन अ शॉक्ड मैनर. सेकेंड वन, अप्पू कक्षा में किसे ढूंढ रहा था? whom did अप्पू he is searching in classroom? First one Kanche, second one George, third one Basta. So whom he is searching in a classroom? Yes, the answer is George. So one more time I will repeat. टुकुर टुकुर ताकना शब्दों का क्या अर्थ है? So the answer is हैरानी से देखना. Second one, अप्पू कक्षा में किसे ढूंढ रहा था? whom he is searching in a classroom. So the answer is George. Now the third choose the best answer is मास्टर जी ने उसे चाक का टुकड़ा क्यों मारा? So why the teacher he has thrown the piece of chalk on Appu? So the options are उसका ध्यान पढ़ाई में नहीं था. He is not concentrating in his studies. वह बातें कर रहा था. ही इज स्पीकिंग टू अदर चिल्ड्रन. वह ठीक से नहीं पढ़ रहा था. ही इज़ नॉट स्टडिंग प्रॉपरली. सो व्हाट इज़ द आंसर? उसका ध्यान पढ़ाई में नहीं था. सो ही इज़ नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग इन ही स्टडी. दैट इज़ द आंसर. फोर्थ वन, पोटली खुलते ही क्या हुआ? व्हेन ही इज़ ओपनिंग द टैग व्हाट हैपन? सारे कंचे बिखर गए. All the shooters has fallen down. कंचे छोटे हो गए. The shooters become small. कंचों का आकार घटने लगा. So the shape of the shooter started reduced. What is the answer? सारे कंचे बिखर गए. So all the shooters it has fallen down. Fifth one, अप्पू कहाँ बैठा था? Where he was sitting. कक्षा, घर, बगीचा. Classroom, house, garden. What is the answer? Kaksha. He was sitting in the classroom. So now again one more time I will repeat. मास्टर जी ने उसे चाक का टुकड़ा क्यों मारा? उसका ध्यान पढ़ाई में नहीं था. पोटली खुलते ही क्या हुआ? सारे कंचे बिखर गए. अप्पू कहाँ बैठा था? कक्षा में. So these are the 5 choose the best answers which you have to copy in your class book. Yes. Now the third Roman letter we are going to see idioms and phrases, that is muhavre. First one, maat khana, haar jana, that is accepting the defeat. Accepting the loss of defeat. दौड़ में सभी सुहेल से मात खा जाते हैं. सो व्हेन वी आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन रनिंग कॉम्पिटिशन समटाइम्स वी विल फेल. दैट इज़ ओनली मात खाना. सेकेंड वन, खुशी के बुलबुले उठना, दैट इज़ प्रसन्न होना. दैट इज़ गेटिंग हैप्पी. कंचे ले लेने के बाद अप्पू के दिल में खुशी के बुलबुले उठने लगे. इमीडिएटली व्हेन Appu he is buying the shooters, what happened? He is feeling very very happy. That is only given here. Again one more time I will repeat. First one, मात खाना, हार जाना. दौड़ में सभी सुहेल से मात खा जाते हैं. सेकेंड वन, खुशी के बुलबुले उठना. प्रसन्न होना। कंचे ले लेने के बाद अप्पू के दिल में खुशी के बुलबुले उठने लगे। नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन, खुशी छलकना, प्रसन्न होना, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो फीलिंग हैप्पी। कक्षा में प्रथम आने पर मेरे चेहरे पर खुशी छलक रही थी। When I am getting pass in my exams, when I am coming first in our exams, what happened? I feel very very happy. My face is full of happiness. खुशी छलकना, प्रसन्न होना, प्रसन्न होना। कक्षा में प्रथम आने पर मेरे चेहरे पर खुशी छलक रही थी। So this is the third one. You have to copy in your classwork note. Next we are going to see small question answer, प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखो। विद्यालय, फर्स्ट वन, विद्यालय जाते समय अप्पू क्या सोच रहा था? When he is going to school, what he is thinking? आंसर इज, विद्यालय जाते समय अप्पू कौवे और सियार की कहानी के बारे में सोच रहा था। When he is going to school, what he is remembering? He is remembering the story of crow and fox. Second one, कंचे देखते ही अप्पू को जॉर्ज की याद क्यों आई? When immediately when he is seeing the shooter, why he is getting the thought of George? क्योंकि जॉर्ज कंचों का पक्का खिलाड़ी था, इसलिए अप्पू को जॉर्ज की याद आई। बिकॉज जॉर्ज इज अ परफेक्ट प्लेयर ऑफ शूटर, सो ओनली ही इज रिमेंबरिंग हिम। थर्ड वन, अप्पू ने कितने और किन पैसों से कंचे खरीदे? सो विथ हाउ मैनी रुपीज़ ही इज़ बाइंग शूटर? अप्पू ने पिताजी द्वारा दिए गए फीस से 1.50 पैसे के कंचे खरीदे। सो ही इज़ गेटिंग शूटर्स with the money which his father has given 1 rupee and 50 paise, that is 50 rupees. With the 50 rupees he is buying all the shooters. One more time I will repeat. First one, विद्यालय जाते समय अप्पू क्या सोच रहा था? विद्यालय जाते समय अप्पू कौवे और सियार की कहानी के बारे में सोच रहा था। सेकेंड वन, कंचे देखते ही अप्पू को जॉर्ज की याद क्यों आई? क्योंकि जॉर्ज कंचों का पक्का खिलाड़ी था, इसलिए अप्पू को जॉर्ज की याद आई। थर्ड वन, अप्पू ने कितने और किन पैसों से कंचे खरीदे? अप्पू ने पिताजी द्वारा दिए गए फीस से 1.50 पैसे से कंचे खरीदे। So he is buying कंचे for 1 rupees and 50 paise. So exactly 1 rupee and 50 paise. So he is buying all the shooters. So this is the 3 small questions. Next we are going to see the fourth question. मास्टर जी को गुस्सा क्यों आया? Why teacher he is getting angry? Why मास्टर जी इज़ गेटिंग एंग्री? अप्पू को पढ़ाई में ध्यान न होने पर मास्टर जी को गुस्सा आया। बिकॉज अप्पू ही इज़ नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग इन ही स्टडीज़, नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग इन द क्लासरूम, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मास्टर जी इज़ गेटिंग एंग्री। फिफ्थ वन, उसका ध्यान कक्षा में क्यों नहीं था? क्योंकि उसका ध्यान पढ़ाई में नहीं था। बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एजुकेशन, बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू स्टडी। उसका ध्यान कक्षा में क्यों नहीं था? क्योंकि उसका ध्यान पढ़ाई में नहीं था। ही डोंट वांट टू स्टडी। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, अगेन वन मोर टाइम आई विल रिपीट। मास्टर जी को गुस्सा क्यों आया? अप्पू को पढ़ाई में ध्यान न होने पर मास्टर जी को गुस्सा आया। फिफ्थ वन, उसका ध्यान कक्षा में क्यों नहीं था? क्योंकि उसका ध्यान पढ़ाई में नहीं था। सो दीज आर द 5 स्मॉल क्वेश्चंस विच यू हैव टू कॉपी इन योर क्लास वर्क। नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी द 4th रोमन लेटर, 1 बिग क्वेश्चन। कंचा कहानी का संदेश क्या है? व्हाट इज़ द मॉरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी? कंचा कहानी का संदेश यह है कि द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़, कक्षा में बच्चों का ध्यान केंद्रित करने के साथ साथ शिक्षक को उनके हाव भाव को जानने का भी प्रयास करना चाहिए। So from this story what we can understand that in the classroom the student he should follow the rules and regulation of the classroom and he should concentrate in his studies in the classroom. यदि कोई बच्चा मानसिक रूप से कक्षा में उपस्थित ना हो, so when the student he is mentally affected and physically he is in the class, there is no use of teaching him everything. If he is physically present, mentally absent, there is no use to teach something for him. So always he should be mentally present and physically absent. So that only they are telling here. रूप से कक्षा में उपस्थित ना हो तो उसकी भावना को जानना चाहिए. So the teacher they should understand the mentality of the student. बच्चों को भी चाहिए कि वे पढ़ाई के समय इधर उधर की बातें ना सोचकर पढ़ाई में ध्यान दें. So children they should also do this thing that instead of thinking that and this, they have to concentrate in their classroom in the teaching of the teacher, and he have to keep everything aside, unnecessary thinking, and he should follow that teacher and he has to concentrate in the studies. So again one more time I will repeat. कंचा कहानी का संदेश क्या है? What is the moral of this story? कंचा कहानी का संदेश यह है कि कक्षा में बच्चों का ध्यान केंद्रित करने के साथ साथ शिक्षक को उसके हाव भाव को जानने का भी प्रयास करना चाहिए. So the teacher they should try to see the mentality of the student, because whether he is mentally present in a classroom, जानने का भी प्रयास करना चाहिए. यदि कोई बच्चा इफ़ एनी स्टूडेंट मानसिक रूप से कक्षा में उपस्थित ना हो, he is mentally absent and physically present, तो उसकी भावना को जानना चाहिए. There is no use of teaching something. बच्चों को भी चाहिए कि वे पढ़ाई के समय, so the children they should also follow this. When the teacher is teaching they should not think this or that, कि बातों ना सोचकर पढ़ाई में ध्यान दें. They have to listen to the teacher and they have to concentrate in their studies. So this is the moral of the story Kancha. Again one more time I will repeat, listen carefully. कंचा कहानी का संदेश क्या है? कंचा कहानी का संदेश यह है कि कक्षा में बच्चों का ध्यान केंद्रित करने के साथ साथ शिक्षक को उनके हाव भाव को जानने का भी प्रयास करना चाहिए. यदि कोई बच्चा मानसिक रूप से कक्षा में उपस्थित ना हो तो उसकी भावना को जानना चाहिए. बच्चों को भी चाहिए कि वे पढ़ाई के समय इधर उधर की बातें न सोचकर पढ़ाई में ध्यान दें. So children, this is the big question for this Kancha lesson. So please write your classwork very neatly. I hope you all have understood everything what I taught you today. So I hope this video will be useful for you to learn the lesson Kancha. So please copy this in your classwork very neatly. So till this our class has over today. So today we have seen lesson 12 Kancha, that is shooter. So how Appu he is behaving when he is seeing that shooters, and what is happening in this story we have seen today. And today we have seen the classwork, that is meanings, and then choose the best answers, idioms and phrases, small question answers and then big question answers. So I have given you the classwork. Please copy your classwork very neatly. And for this lesson I will give you the classwork as PDF also, which will be very useful for you to write your classwork. So children, I hope you have understood this lesson very clearly. So please follow your classworks, follow your worksheets and follow your videos properly, so that when you are doing these things you will be able to write your exams very well, because the language which related to English and the subject which related to English is very easy for you to study, because this is second language Hindi. When you listen this video carefully, then only you can understand clearly, as Hindi is very easy language and it is very comfortable for you when you understand these things very clearly. So children, you all know that coronavirus is spreading more, so please be careful, don't go outside. As I am telling you in all the videos, instead of going out, we can watch our videos, we can do our worksheets, we can complete our classworks. So children, please complete your classworks, and when the teachers they are giving the timetable of submitting the classworks and test notes, please submit it in a correct way, because then only it will be easy for us also and easy for you also to get clarification with everything. When you are keeping your classworks very soon, we feel very easy to correct that, and we feel very easy, and immediately we can send your classworks to you at a same time. So without classworks you can't study for your exams, and we can't write your classworks. So please do that. Pending never leads to success. As I told you, success only will come when you do hard work. Avoid your laziness. As you are in your home, please do these things perfectly, so that you can get success in your life. I will meet you with next video. Dhanyavad.